know that moment when tax season rolls in and suddenly your calm, organized workflow turns into a maze of forms, deadlines, and IRS rules you swear didn't exist last year? Yeah, we've all been there. But imagine this instead. You log in and an intelligent AI copilot actually walks you through every step, fills in the data, checks for risks, and makes the whole thing feel almost, dare I say, easy. Well, that world isn't imaginary anymore. It's here. And today, I'm going to show you how Tax 1099's new IntelliAgent AI completely flips the filing experience on its head. Welcome back to the channel. If you're a business owner, accountant, bookkeeper, or just someone who's tired of wrestling with IRS forms, you're going to love this. Because in this video, we're diving into ZenWork Tax 1099's brand new IntelliAgent Compliance Suite, a powerful set of AI tools built right inside Tax 1099. And we're not just talking about features, I'm literally showing you how the Zen AI Copilot helps you file a 1099 from start to finish, how their Diagnostic AI reduces your compliance risks, and why their secure MCP Server ties it all together into one seamless workflow. If you're interested in smarter, faster, and more accurate filings, stick around. And if you enjoy walkthroughs like this, feel free to subscribe for more practical guides. All right, let's jump in. So let's start with the star of the show, Zen AI Copilot. Picture this. You're on the homepage. Normally, this is the part where you'd start hunting for payer information, checking addresses, verifying TINs, and typing everything in manually. You'd start getting confused on which form to file and how to navigate and add payer and recipient details to complete the e-filing. But now, a little chat window on the right simply asks all the details to complete the e-filing when you provide little background like, I want to file a tax form. I have paid 1,099 NEC of 1,500 USD to Leon. Which form should I file? And just like that, the Copilot starts doing the heavy lifting. It confirms the tax year, it pulls up the correct form, and navigates you to the right page. It asks gentle, guided questions, the kind that makes you think, wow, why didn't filing always feel like this? Then the magic happens. The Copilot begins filling out the form for you, matching the payer and recipient details, and making sure the form is set up correctly. It even gives you context as it works, explaining what it's doing and why. No guesswork, no missed fields, no flipping between tabs trying to remember where you saved someone's W-9. It's filing with confidence, but with AI as your safety net. Here's where things get seriously impressive. Tax 1099 didn't just build an AI that fills forms. They built an AI that protects you. Enter Diagnostic AI. Think of it as a second set of eyes, except those eyes are trained on millions of filings and IRS compliance patterns. The Diagnostic AI runs in real time and scans for high-risk areas, like TIN mismatch penalties, recipient copy deliveries, and state filing requirements. This smart engine not only flags mistakes before submission, but also provides actionable recommendations to help avoid IRS notices and penalties. A mismatched TIN is one of the fastest ways to trigger IRS rejections, delays, or even penalties. But the AI catches them before your form ever reaches the IRS. It's like having a compliance expert looking over your shoulder at every step saying, hold on, let's fix this now so you don't deal with bigger problems later. And if something does need your attention, the AI doesn't overwhelm you with codes or jargon. It gives human-friendly explanations and helps you correct issues instantly. Normally, connecting your software to tax systems like Tax 1099 means endless coding, integration, and schema mapping. The MCP server is the engine that transforms Tax 1099 into an AI-first compliance platform. Instead of complex integrations and endless schema mapping, MCP lets AI agents handle tax filing through simple, natural language commands. It intelligently ingests any dataset, spreadsheets, database exports, or raw payloads, and instantly converts them into filing-ready records. From TIN validation to PDF generation and IRS submission, MCP orchestrates the entire e-filing workflow automatically. Let's tie everything together with the actual experience. On the left side of your screen is your familiar Tax 1099 dashboard. Clean, organized, everything where you'd expect it to be. On the right side, the Zen AI Copilot is actively conversing with you. And in the center, your form fills itself out piece by piece. As the Copilot works, you see the fields populate: payer name, recipient details, state information, all appearing without you having to scroll, type, or second guess anything. And when you're ready to move forward, the AI guides you into the next steps, reviewing the form, validating the data, and eventually filing it with the IRS. It's smooth, it's intuitive, and more importantly, it feels like the future of compliance. After exploring it, the answer is obvious. This isn't just a feature, it's a major shift in how businesses, accountants, and teams will manage compliance moving forward. Zen WorkTax 1099's IntelliAgent compliance tools make filing easier, safer, and faster. And honestly, once you get used to having a co-pilot by your side, going back to manual filing feels unthinkable. If you want to check it out for yourself, you can explore the AI tools on the Tax 1099 website and try the Copilot inside your dashboard. And if this breakdown helped you understand how the system works, feel free to drop a like and subscribe for more practical, beginner-friendly walkthroughs. You can find the sign-up link in the comments. Use that link to get started and access the tools directly. Thanks for watching.